Here I have OPPO F1 Plus, and let me show you how to accomplish here the hard reset operation. So let me show you how to wipe all personal data on this device by using the OPPO settings. So at the very beginning, let's find here and select settings, scroll down and choose here additional settings. Then scroll down again and choose backup and reset. From the following options, choose factory data reset. So here you can remove all content and settings, so this is the full reset, or you can erase just app and apps data. In my case, let me perform the full reset, so let's remove all content. And if you have the pattern, PIN or password, you have to draw your unlock pattern. So let me do it. And now you can tap OK to erase all data. Let's wait until the operation will be completed. Do not interrupt while the process is running. Excellent, the welcome panel just pops up, so it means that the hard reset is done. Now you might start easily activate your device and set up your phone. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.